Wow. Guys, it's my cousin Sabu. I'm gonna put a little close up. There. She's right there. This is her first time.
Okay.
And we're gonna make a video of slime. She makes slime. Look, I'll show you. This is her slime that she made by herself. And she has more. This one. This one. She makes all kinds of slime. Yeah, it's gluey. Blah.
We could put it.
Yeah, she has a lot of slime.
This one.
Oh my gosh, you had another one? I never knew.
And that's it.
Wow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 slimes.
So this one
It's
is
a little, it's pretty sticky.
it's what's it called, foam. So you take it off. Mostly all the sun is on the bottom, and the foam is on the top. So
Yeah, and it's so sticky.
it's not sticky. This one's not sticky.
My dad's a jerk. I've never met him. You too? Guess we all got daddy issues, huh?
I'm only gonna show you one because all of them are the same. So that one's done, and then this one.
That one's pretty awesome.
This is glossy slime.
Yeah. It's sticky. That is so awesome. I've been watching some Percy Jackson.
And then the thing that Junior likes about the about slime is like funky, like really close. So like, can you guys hear the noises?
I think they could.
My dad's.
Yeah, it's
And then you could pop it. You could go like that and like that, and then it could be bubble.
Boy, even listen.
yeah, she makes that. And it looks like a pancake. Oh my gosh! I've never seen a bubble of slime.
I could make a bigger one. If I could try it, I could try.
Getting out. Oh, that's tricky.
It's like a pancake.
This is a map for Persephone's pearls. Persephone? You mean Hades?
Oh, that was awesome.
And then
That is awesome.
so that one's done, and then
Ow, I just hurt myself.
this is at the back.
This one's pretty
This
gooey.
one? No, this one stains your hands. Like it's gonna leave your hand blue.
Really?
This is not that stretchy. It's jiggly slime. Look. Look. Put this up here. Okay.
Gooey.
Yeah.
Never touched gooey slime before, guys. Never touched
This
gooey.
is not stretchy.
Yeah,
like-
not all gooey stretchy.
You're not recording.
Not all gooey stretchy. Bam.
And then-
It's turning blue. She's right. It does stain.
yeah. Okay, and then that
This
shows
is the same one that she was using in the first one.
one that you see it.
Yeah.
Okay. So,
But just don't put it here. There might be a little sticky for it.
oh god, look. All the foam and all the slime in the back.
Wow. That looks like cereal.
But, you're gonna have to promise me.
That is so awesome.
It's okay.
It got on my finger.
This one has a lot of foam.
Yeah, it does. More. It looks like it
I
has more
have
foam.
I have more foam.
Yeah, she showed it to me.
Like just it's like right here.
Yeah, there's more foam.
And then
Looks like cereal. Cereal balls.
and then I have more things. I have glitter,
Yep.
glitter, and then glue. And then
This is so sticky.
it's not sticky anymore.
Really?
Touch it.
Yeah, I got on my finger more.
Then go like that again.
They don't want you driving around on 3 wheels. Smart.
It just might be my finger's too sticky. That is so awesome. Can you make a bubble with that one?
No, cause if I do it, and then all the foam is gonna fall down. You see?
Oh.
Okay. I could make the bubble with the pink one.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, no, pretty. I never touched this one before. Here you go, I opened it for you.
Thank you. But
It was awesome. This slime looks so awesome.
Mom had glitter on it.
Sure. Could put some glue. It's sticky though.
That one's not sticky. Look. What color?
Blue.
Blue?
Yeah. Bro.
Okay.
That looks like there's something inside of it. Put it right there.
Oh, yeah,
Put some glitter.
Tell you when to stop.
That's good.
Okay.
A little bit is good, not a lot. Oh, see all that, guys? It's awesome. See?
Can you see the glitter?
Yeah, it's right there. You can see it.
Oh my.
Okay, guys.
I want to get something else.
Okay, guys, she's gonna get something. So, slime is awesome. She knows how to make a lot of slime. She has this too, it's cereal now. Wait. It's cereal.
Despite all
Awesome.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, guys, she's gonna be right back. Remember, guys, subscribe,
to your doctor about Belsum,
like
a
the
prescription medicine for adults with
video,
who have trouble falling or staying
and
asleep.
remember, put a comment down below who you want to see. If you want to see Diego, put a comment down below. Juwan, comment down below. Alex, comment down below. And Ricky, comment down below. Jose, comment down below. Or Subway, comment down below. Or Victoria, comment down below. Or Diana, comment down below. Dad. Okay, so this is so weird, guys. Like, I haven't made a YouTube in a lot. I'm still people. Okay, so yeah. Alright, she's back. I don't know what she got. It looks like bleach.
It's not bleach.
I said it looked like, I didn't say it is bleach.
But like, it doesn't look like bleach.
Ew. Blah, 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 blah. Imagine I actually put it in. I wonder what happened if I put it in. I wonder what would happen if I actually put that in.
Okay, so you know how like this is gooey?
Yeah, I never touched it.
Look. Be careful, be careful.
Like this and like this. It's easy to accept every major credit card.
It's shining up.
Oh my gosh. It's like poop.
Don't touch it, don't touch it. It's next to your hands.
That's easy too. Square has easy to read sales reports.
Check it out. It looks just like, oh my gosh. It's falling down like it's a cow. I need to make sure there's some good in the camera.
I made this with glue and put food coloring in it.
Bruh. I want to touch it again.
No, we don't touch it
I
yet.
know. It looks like a, oh shoot, I almost touched the camera right there. I touch that.
And then after when you're done with that, put this.
Freaking paint.
What do you know?
Put that in. Oh my gosh, I don't know.
This is how you make slime. Guys. You got it on you?
Yeah. Let's I'm gonna show you. Wait. Okay, I'm gonna show you.
You're showing like Percy Jackson?
It's not. Yeah, like the Percy Jackson. It's Grover. It's the first movie.
The lightning thief.
The Lightning Thief is so awesome. I like Percy, how he looked like in the Sea of Monsters.
You guys could use any activator. I don't know if you guys know that, but like, yeah.
Bruh, I'm gonna touch it again.
Hold up, it's only the-
Bruh.
How are we going to find the pearl this place?
Okay, let's split
Oh,
up.
my knee is hurting right now.
Idea. We go this way.
That is so awesome. What is this for?
Oh, it's a mix with.
What does it do?
Mix
Mix what?
the slime. When you're doing slime.
I'm gonna kill it.
Okay.
It's an axe. It's an axe. I'm gonna try to kill it. Oh, what the heck is happening?
Medusa.
Medusa.
Check this out.
Axe.
Like, it made it to slime, so you know how it was gooey?
Yeah.
Okay.
Got them all in the same place.
So, the gooey. Let's see. So, the gooey made it to this. Amazing.
Wow.
stuff. Be careful. Want me to do the blue one now?
Yeah, get the blue. Get the blue. It might be gooey too.
Because it is.
It's gooey. I could touch it from this. Bro, you just threw it. Like, I don't even care about it.
Okay, so that one's done. So do the blue one now. You just do the same thing what I did earlier.
It look like poop again.
But this time blue.
Blue poop.
This color is nice though.
Yeah. But it just look like poop. Now it's a pancake.
Put this. Put this the other way.
Alright. Look like poop.
We'll put it right there.
Daughter.
How do you know?
Want me to put that? You want to put it in? No, Drizzle.
I wonder what would happen if I
You're
actually.
gonna die.
Really?
Yep.
I
My brother said you just get sick.
You die.
desired by many.
Does
Drizzle, touch it.
pokey.
No, Drizzle, stop.
Hocus pocus. Hocus pocus.
Your mother, the woman who cursed
Okay, you want to put it in?
This?
Yeah.
I don't want to stop.
Not a lot. Slowly. There.
They say the eyes are windows to the soul.
Put it again.
I hope
Okay. Put it this way. There. You got the
Hocus
key.
pocus.
Well, the key. Well, if you guys see YouTube channels of slimes, well, the key is to add the activator slowly by slowly. Put it again.
Here?
Yeah. Yeah, like that.
Oh my gosh. So you guys can see Percy Jackson right there. Right there in the back.
Good idea. I'm moving on back.
Go, 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 go.
It didn't even show your face. Come more closer.
Okay.
in mind.
Okay.
Go, 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 go,
Want me to add this?
Sure, let's add this. Let's add some cereal on it. How you open it? How you open it?
We can open it. It's gonna pop up. Hold on. This needs to be sticky. So if you want to make it more stickier for this to stick on, add more
Cream.
lotion.
Which is this?
It's just lotion. You need to know the lotion.
I know, but they don't know what kind of lotion.
Okay, if you use any kind.
That tasted good.
Just stop it.
I want to open it. How do you open this?
Don't open it. It's gonna pop up on you, and then I'm gonna be really mad at you if it falls down.
It's like,
Guys, 10K views. I will put Samuel Jr.'s hair.
you better do
And
it.
you have to guys, and Junior has to cut his hair bald.
No, I'm not doing that. I'm not cutting my hair bald.
Son,
If you guys actually want that to happen, put in a comment down below.
Well, this is a mini one. It's sticky, right?
Yeah, sticky.
Add more. Let's see.
Add more
Look
color.
at your hand. Nobody wants to see your hand.
Everyone wants to see my hand.
So you add more lotion. Well, the lotion. This is the smaller one.
It's the baby cream.
Yeah. Well, that one's bigger. This one's smaller.
Yeah.
Well, you add that, and then to make it more stickier, and then don't touch it or else you're gonna get sticky on it. Okay. Now the time to add the cereal, which he says. Okay. You see
cereal.
It goes like this, or else it pops up. This hard. Or garnish it, but like, who cares?
Okay. Add some cereal. That's good. That's good. That's good cereal.
No, don't close it.
I'm not gonna close all the way. Now we had some cereal. Okay, guys, I'll be right back.
Where you know?
I don't know.
Oh my lord! Well, I love like.
It doesn't even see your face, Irie. There, that's better. It didn't even see your face. I was just like this. Like, unless she scared me.
And nobody's gonna see the slime.
Yeah, but you can put it up.
Okay, yeah, that's true. No, I'm not okay. Look, so I made it.
Cologne?
This ain't cologne.
What is it then?
I don't know.
It looks like cologne.
Well, that's my slime. You see, you guys?
I wonder
Well,
what this is. I'm not gonna open it. It's not mine.
no, don't show them.
Okay.
There's in here.
Yeah.
Stretchy slime.
It's cereal.
And
I
then
wonder what
so.
happened to this.
Oh, it went inside in here.
Really?
Give it the phone.
Oh shoot, guys! I'm like, how did it go in there?
It just goes to there.
Oh my gosh!
And I made also this slime, which it was stretch. Use my other slime.
Which one?
Use the orange one.
Which one?
This one.
Oh!
Go like that. I don't know if it's gonna be. Try. Wait. Don't be scared.
I'm not scared.
There. Play with it. Is it sticky for you? Don't go slow. Play with. Play it fast. Don't. Yeah, like that. You see?
Like this?
Yeah, you could do that, but like. So, I made. It's sticky?
Yeah, but
Here.
I can handle it. Okay.
There. Mix it with your hands. More better, I guess.
Yeah.
So I made this one, which I didn't make it, like actual make it, but like I did this one and this one too, which he calls it the cereal, but like okay. Oh my lord, Junior.
Guys. Oh my god.
How is mine not sticky on you?
I mean, like, I just got these on my hand. I want to go.
No, it's
Oh,
not.
no, I'm not gonna go.
Just by switching it
Oh my god.
I should take a closer look at Geico.
Say bye, I guess.
Oh
Putting on your homeowner's insurance.
The carpet.
Geico can help ensure enough
no. What?
Say bye.
Bruh.
Too much? Your eyes look okay. Take a closer look at Geico. Great savings and a whole lot more.
Guys, remember, if I'm getting 2 subscribers, I'm giving you my phone number. I just need 1 more subscriber.
How many subscribers do you have?
1. If I get 2 subscribers, I'm gonna give out my phone number, but text me first because I'm not gonna answer.
Don't touch it or else it's gonna be sticky, Junior. Don't touch
No,
it.
I'm gonna put it back with this.
Large TikTok
I'm gonna go wash my hands, guys. I'll be right back.
Okay, bye guys.
The more